Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close Union Bank of India or UBI Bank savings account through online or offline. To close your UBI account or Union Bank of India account savings account through online mode, you can choose internet banking or mobile banking. In this both you can find a account closer option. By selecting that option you can close your Union Bank of India savings account, or you can simply send an email in the prescribed format to the bank official mail to close your savings bank account, or you can simply contact your customer care support and they will guide you to the next process to close your savings bank account. This is the online procedure to close your Union Bank of India savings account. Next we will see offline mode. To close your Union Bank of India savings account, you can visit any Union Bank of India branch. Before visiting, you must make your account balance to zero. You can transfer your balance to any of your relatives or any of your family members or any of your friends, but there should be a zero balance in your account. And next, there should be no loans or any dues or any negative balances or any payables or any services linked to your bank account. You should clear all these to close your Union Bank of India savings account. Next, these are the required documents to close your Union Bank of India savings account. You must carry your passbook, you must carry your unused checkbook, you must carry your ATM card, you must carry valid ID card, you must carry address proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or any telephone bill or any residence proof, passport size photos. By checking these documents, the bank officials will give you an account closure form to fill the form, or they will ask you to write an account closing application to close your Union Bank of India savings account. After filling the form or writing an application, the bank manager will check all the documents along with your application with proper reason, and he will proceed to close your bank savings bank account. Within 3 to 15 days you will get a confirmation message with the registered mobile number mentioning that your account has been successfully closed. Like this you can close your Union Bank of India savings account through online mode or offline mode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.